Hello, this is Ariana Antonio for CPM 1411. This is my week 1 app walkthrough. So I will go ahead and get this running. And as you can see, here is our first screen. And I'm going to go ahead and do user authentication and sign up. So I'll go ahead and first I'll try and create a username that I know is already taken, that I already have stored in there. And it's going to tell me that the username is already taken. And so then I'm going to change it up to something really boring that I can easily remember. And sign up there. And then you can see in my users in parse that I now have John Smith, his object ID, and a hidden password. Let's see, creating data. So for this is a run log. So we're going to go ahead and say we did a run 2 days ago. And say we ran, or John ran 3.8. And I also have down here that shows which user is currently logged in. Just, since I was playing around switching in and out of accounts and testing stuff, and it made sense so that they would know who's logged in. And so we can go ahead and go to runs, and here's 3.8 on the 28th. There's John Smith's user ID. So then we can go ahead and sign out. And it takes us back here. We can log in again. There we go. And for some reason, it won't load the runs until I start typing in there. But so there's our saved run. And then if we go ahead and close the app, this time while we are still logged in, it will remember us and go straight here. It won't force John to log in again. And then there is our run. Okay, what else we have? So that's creating data, and I just showed you reading data as well. It is saving a string and an integer. Unfortunately, in terms of reading data, if you notice, we actually saved this run as 3.8, and it is pulling it. I'm saving it as a float, but when it pulls it back out with getInt, which I believe is what is happening, it's rounding it, and so it's pulling it back out slightly incorrectly. And then let's see, deleting data. We'll go ahead and add one more run just so we have some more information in there. Okay, and so then I'll go ahead and select this run, and I can't get it to stay highlighted, unfortunately. I don't know why, but I did select this and then hit delete run. So that was the 10/28 3.0, or 3.8 actually. And we refresh, we see the 1035.4 that we had added, but this is a different run for a different user, so John Smith's other one is gone, and I can't really, for some reason I can't get this to refresh and display it properly, but it has been removed from parse. And when he closes it and logs back in, it'll be gone, it'll refresh, but just for some reason I can't get it to refresh right at the right time. Let's see, yeah, so there's still plenty of stuff that I've got to work on, validating stuff. See, I deleted, I signed out, I added, all that good stuff. But otherwise it's pretty simple. Obviously soon this will, they'll probably all have this sorted by date. One thing that's not really working, that's kind of weird, is that I can't save any more than 3 runs per user. As you can see, this is these 3 are a user and these 3 are a user, and if I try and save more than 3, it instead actually overwrites the most recent one before that, and so there's always just 3. So I'm not sure what's going on there, and I unfortunately only noticed it this evening when I was getting ready to submit, so I didn't really have a lot of time to figure out what was going on. But so anyway, so that is my app. And I believe user authentication, blah, 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 blah. I believe that is it. Thanks so much.